Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a few kits that I created, and these are all Christmas in July kits inspired by all of the wonderful ladies that have made their hauls, and I was just so inspired that I decided to create a beautiful kit that comes along with all those beautiful projects and all of those beautiful paper collections that are already in your possession. And this kit is called Kit A, and unfortunately this one is already sold, but stay tuned. I have two more kits coming up, and I'll just quickly share with you what's in the kit number A, Christmas in July. First of all, this super cute vintage card that's from a game, and yeah, this one is original one from Belgium, and maybe it's probably a yeah, very old game, and I just love this card. So, and that's for the first, I'm hoping it will focus, that's for the first item that is in the kit. Then for all of you ladies that love the vintage laces and trims, I created a package filled with beautiful specialty trims, but also with a lot of vintage trims. Only this one that you see here is a newer collection, but the other ones are, and this one as well, is also from a newer collection, but all the others are vintage trims. And this one, let me start at the top, is a very beautiful yeah, dainty one, because it has such beautiful beads, silver color beads, and it has a mesh and a sort of satin ribbon across where the beads are stitched on. Then you have a teeny tiny there, dainty white one in the middle, and this beautiful one, and yeah, as you can see here, such a beautiful sort of a flower print there, or stitch, because this is all yeah, beautiful pieces, and this is also a vintage piece. On top there, I added a beautiful doily, and the doily is held together with a yeah, sort of a closure here, that piece of a trim there, a curtain, and then a paper ruffled trim there that I yeah, just added to the kit. This is the back, so you get quite a large piece there from the, let me just take it off, quite a large piece of a doily there on top. And the backing that I used for this paper is also from the Stamperia collection, but from another collection. If you're interested in those, just yeah, just contact me and I'll let you know which collection that I use for that as well. So that's for the first package. And then I have this gorgeous package, again with beautiful items there. These are most newer trims that I have here in this kit. This beautiful pink one is very elastic, so it can be, oh, let me see, yeah, like so. So you can yeah, use this in various ways. This is a beautiful one with yeah, a sort of a snowy, pearlescent, iridescent, I must say, iridescent look. This one is with silver, and this one has a super beautiful detailed look. These are all scalloped edges, and this one is also just a bit scalloped edged as well. Then a beautiful piece there of a doily, a beautiful clothespin there, paper trim there, and some snippets there from yeah, my own stash. That's for the second one. And then we have this package. Again, a beautiful doily there tucked on the top as a topper. Beautiful tiny piece of applique here with all these paper ruffled trim again. Then this one is a vintage one, and the other ones are a newer style, but I just love it. Such a beautiful, this one has a super cute scalloped edge. This one is with flowers. This has a sort of retro print, and this one has like different shades there, and this one has a beautiful scalloped edge as well that I really love. So that's for that one. Then we have yeah, quite a few vintage trims here that I tucked in just loose, because I wanted to mail these kits in through the mailbox. So it's a flat rate box. So that's for the first one. I'm hoping you can see the beautiful detail there. Then this is the second one. Beautiful baby blue color. This one is also a vintage one. It has, yeah, just a beautiful detail there. And then for this one, beautiful white. And then a velvety one. So you have like approximately like over 10 yards of beautiful specialty vintage trims there in this kit. This one is also very dainty. I just love this one as well. And this one with super cute flowers there, as you can see. And then on this peg, or on this pin here, I have 4 different metallic trims there, and these are all these 2 are from the leaves, and these 2 have stars. So that's for that. Then I have this super cute baggie. And this baggie has different elements, like sequins. I have like beautiful roses here, and this beautiful piece there. Yeah, just a fun mix of beautiful elements there. There's a word banner there. And yeah, just some super cute items and crafty things for you to create with. Then for the larger pieces again, I have this beautiful piece that you can cut up and of course use in on different projects. This is a very special applique. So sort of a bridal applique, super beautiful as well. And this is a final piece. So you have like, let me see, like 8 pieces, the larger, and 8 pieces from the beautiful smaller flowers there. Just love these. Then I have some beautiful high quality photo paper prints there. These are from a local store, and that's called Daantje Creatief, and I cut up a strip for you and added it to this kit as well. So these are the images. Then for the beautiful Stamperia Paper collection that I have, I put this one in the kit because it's all Christmas themed. And again, I'll put the information of this paper down below, so you can see some more inspiration, and you can grab your ideas there on their site as well, from the Stamperia site. This is the back of that one. And I have this one. These are 8 by 8 paper pads. And this is this one. And then this front and the back. Beautiful calling cards. This one and this one, and this is the back as well. So then you see in the box some beautiful goodies there that are especially selected for you. I have like some specialty pieces there, and yeah, I'll just show them one by one. You get one sheet of this beautiful enamel dots in silver and in a sort of antique gold. And this beautiful and cute popcorn package here. I just love this one. It's super cute, and to add on to your collection, as you can see here, it just fits perfectly. So that's why I put that one in. Then two pieces that are special as well. You can use them however you like. These are like flaps of pockets. So two of those. And then this one is also one of my favorites. Let me see. Yeah, this is the front. One of my favorites. Super beautiful. It's like, I think, if I'm correct, like 8, no. I'll measure it up. If you want to know the measurements, I'll measure it up. But it's beautiful. As you can see, I have 2 hands to hold it up. So it's quite a large piece there. And this one is also one of the specialty pieces. As you can see, it has beautiful inserted piece there, tatting, pink in the middle, and also here on the sides as well. Just love this one. Very special piece there. Then some other pieces, and this one is hand crocheted by Patricia. Thank you so much for that, Patricia, again. And some vintage pieces again. So the other pieces that I already showed you, these are all vintage that I have here in this this kit. So quite a few of those that have different sizes and different materials, and I just love to create with different elements and also different colors. So sort of a Battenberg piece there. It's this, another Battenberg piece. So these are pieces that are very exclusive. They do not come along very often, especially since the COVID. So these are really hoarded pieces, but I just wanted to share them with you and create a special kit for you. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and thank you so much for your support on my channel, and hoping to do a giveaway soon on my journal that I'm working on, but also on the Maggie Holmes projects that I'm working on as well. And yeah, so stay tuned, and if you are interested in another kit that I have, this one is already spoken for, So sorry, but there's also one. There are two very similar kits coming up, so stay tuned for those. And hoping you're all doing well and that you're all staying safe. And I'll talk to you all soon. Oh yeah, and don't forget, please give me a thumbs up, and of course follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.